Hello beautiful people and welcome to this video. This is how to use sheets on Canva. So once you're on the page here, all you have to do is to click on this sheet icon here and boom, you have learned how to create a sheet in Canva. For your Excel files, you can open them here and do whatever you want to do with them here. You see there are various rows and columns, so there are also functions. Okay, good. Yes, you also have templates in case you want to create a budget tracker or a campaign tracker. You can label it appropriately. Also, if you want to create an invoice, a price calculator, lead tracker, event planning, event marketing plan, etc., even asset tracker, you can create each and every one of them on Canva by clicking or using any of these templates already being displayed by the left side of the bar. So once you've let's say I want to create a budget tracker and I love these particular templates, I will click on it and add as good. Yes, I can replace it, but let me add it as a new page. So I'll have my existing page. This is just beautiful. I mean, you can, this is wow, really customized. You can edit each of these and you would, oh my god, this is just beautiful. This is just good. So if you have knowledge of financial statements and the financial world, you would even appreciate this better. So guys, this is how to create a sheet document on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't stop smiling, guys. Have a great day.